constantly thinking about you. No matter what he's doing, he stays gently enter his thoughts and stays there. His heart races every time he hears your name or sees anything that reminds him of you. He feels an intense magnetic pull toward you that he can no longer resist whatsoever. You are constantly on his mind in the most beautiful and overwhelming way. Every part of his soul yearns for you and only for you. He is emotionally obsessed with you in the most passionate and romantic way. He feels a deep spiritual connection to you that makes him feel like you are his destiny. He wakes up and falls asleep thinking about you and wondering that what you are doing. He desires to be with you grows stronger every single day, and he is powerless to fight it. He feels incomplete without you and is striving to close the distance between you. He is overwhelmed with the emotion every time he sees you, and it pushes him to act on his feelings. He feels safe, alive, and deeply loved whenever he around you, something he doesn't feel with anyone else. He feels like no one understands him the way you do, and that realization makes him crave you more. His heart beats faster when your name crosses his mind. He can no longer hide how he feels about you, and he is ready to confess it all. He knows in his heart that you are the only one he has been searching for. He constantly replays every conversation he has had with you, smiling at the memories. He regrets not telling you how he feels sooner, and now he's making the first move. He feels pulled to express his feeling in the most honest and sincere way. He is gathering the courage to confess to you because holding back hurt too much. He sees you as the most beautiful, mesmerizing person ever known, and he tells you that openly. His love for you is undeniable, and he finally embraces it without fear or doubt. He is filled with an uncontrollable urge to talk to you, touch you, and be close to you. He is guided by love, and every sign the universe shows him points back to you. He feels like he's known you in every past life, and now he must have you in this one. He realizes that no one else compared to you, emotionally, mentally, or physically. Every time he sees you, he feels butterflies and an overwhelming sense of love. His friends and family notice how he lights up whenever he hears your name. He cannot stop dreaming about you. You haunt his dream in the sweetest way. He confesses to you with raw honesty, revealing how much he needs you in his life. You feel empty without your presence and seek your company to feel whole again. He is brave and bold when it's come to you, willing to risk it all to win your heart. He can't hold it anymore. He pours his head out to you with deep emotion. Every time he feels you, he feels butterfly and overwhelming sense of love. He feels empty without you. He feels empty without your presence and seeks your company to feel whole again. He is brave and bold when it comes to you. He tells you that you are the only one who truly makes him feel alive. He is inspired by you in every way and feels his best self around you. His soul ashes for your touch, your voice, your love. Nothing else can satisfy him. He writes texts, unsent messages, and love notes about you constantly. He can't get out of you off his head. His soul ashes for you. He imagines what a life will be like with you, and it's know what he wants. He replays all the what if moments and finally decided to act on them. He sees you as the person who completes him and brings out his true self. He confesses that he's been in love with you for more longer than he can admit. He expresses his love with bold clarity. He is no longer afraid to show you how he feels about you. He initiates contact first, text first, call first, and find reason to denounce you. He realized that letting you go was never an option, and he comes back with his heart open. He cherishes every moment spent with you and longs for more and more. His desire to hold your hand, kiss you, and tell you everything he feels is unstoppable. He speaks your name with love, reverence, and is scared to him. He trusts you completely and feels emotionally safe to be vulnerable you. He sees a future with you so vividly that he begins planning his life around you. His love confession is sincere, heartfelt, and full of emotion. It moves you deeply. He feels you are his home, his peace, his fire, and he will do anything to keep you. He tells you that being without you feels like life in black and white. He makes the first move proudly, passionately, and without hesitation. He opens emotionally in a way he never done before, just to you. He is determined to win your love, because he knows you are everything, you are worth everything. He feels like he is falling in love with you every time he sees your smile. He feels addicted to your energy. Your presence lights up every dark space inside him. He is so drawn to your beauty, your soul, your aura. You feel magnetized by you. He confesses his feeling with shaking hands and a full of heart, knowing it's real. He chooses you every day, again and again, without confusion, doubt, or delay. He is proud to say he loves you, and he says it with total confidence. He is overwhelmed with a deep soul love, craving to be near to you, to hear your voice, to feel your presence. He feels that no one in this world understands him the way you do, and realization drives him to open to you fully. He is unable to suppress the intense emotion building up inside him, and is finally ready to tell you the truth about how much he loves you. He is magnetically drawn to your energy, to the warmth in your smile, and to the comfort. He just feels thinking about you in the way you do. He is unable to suppress the intense emotion building up inside him. He is magnetically drawn to your energy, to the warmth in your smile, and the comfort he feels just thinking about you. Every time he tries to focus on something else, his mind wanders back to you, and it becomes impossible to resist the need to reach out. He sees you as the only person who has ever truly touched his soul, and is willing to do anything to keep you close. His heart speaks your name even in the silence. You are attached to his spirit like a love he is known forever. He confesses his feeling not out of a pressure, just because the love he feels for you is overwhelming and unstoppable. Name, even in silence, you are attached to him, to his spirit, like a love he is known forever. He confesses his feeling not out of pressure, but because the love he feels for you is overwhelming and unstoppable. He thinks about you constantly when he's working, eating, driving, or lying in the bed. Your presence never leaves his mind. He feels safe to vulnerable with you, because he knows your love is gentle. He knows about you constantly when he's working, eating, or driving. He feels intense jealousy of at the thought of anyone else having your attention. You are all he wants, and he knows it. He dreams of being one who protects your heart, cherishes your soul, and builds a life with you of love. He sees your beauty in a way no one else does. Beyond appearance, he sees your light, your kindness, your strength. He writes messages to you whenever he sends your imaginary reaction, longing for the day he can't express everything. He plays your attraction over and over, noticing every delay, every word, and every look. He sees your beauty in a way no one else does. He replays your interaction over and over, noticing every detail, every word, every look. His love for you has taken over his thought, his decision, his action, and is finally choosing to act on it. He knows you were meant to be in his life for a reason, and he is no longer afraid to embrace the truth. He realizes that no matter how far he runs or how long he waits, his heart will bring him back to you. He feels a powerful emotion need to be close to you, a feeling you can't ignore or can't explain. He knows you were meant to be in his life. He feels a powerful emotional need to be close to you. He wakes up every day hoping today is the final day he tells you how he feels, and now he is ready. He is done denying his feelings. Being without you, he feels like a losing part of himself, and he can't live that like that anymore. His soul restless without your love. He craves for your energy, your touch, your presence in every part of him. He knows that confessing his love to you is the most important thing he will ever do, and he is preparing to say it all. He feels a burning desire to initiate, to make first move, to step forward into the love he has been too scared to claim. He sees signs of you everywhere, in music and in everything he has done. He feels overwhelmed, overflows in waves, and all he wants is to it with you, together, willingly, fearlessly. He knows that waiting any longer would be a mistake. He is ready to act, ready to speak, ready to love out loud. He holds on to every memory of you like precious treasure, replaying them in his mind with devotion and longing. He is done running from the truth that he needs you, wants you, and is completely in love with you. He feels desperate to close emotional distance between you, to speak his heart and gently see the depth of his feeling. His need to confess is no longer quieter whisper, its roaming storm inside him begging to be released in your